So I wanted to do a quick video about an upcoming blog post I'm doing and a series of videos I'm doing. They're all to show you how I connected the Azure Percept, which is an edge intelligence IoT device, to an IoT hub, to stream analytics, and then to a streaming real-time Power BI report. The three hardest things that I encountered during the whole process was setting up stream analytics. That was the number one biggest issue. There is JSON file format coming out of there. I'm not a developer, and that took me a little bit to understand how to pull the different fields and different data elements out of the JSON. I also struggled a little bit with how tumbling and time windows work in Stream Analytics. Create a video on that and how to do that in Stream Analytics. And then the third hardest part was connecting all the resources together. I think the Stream Analytics part, defining the inputs, the outputs, Power BI, and then the format of the data going to Power BI was probably, connecting that to Power BI was another difficult part. So I'm going to be creating a series of videos, and I'm co-creating a blog post with Microsoft Now on how to do all of this. So follow this video, like this video, and then as each video comes out or as the blog post is released, I'm going to post the links to those in the comments below.